This is Living the Outdoor Life. It is hosted by myself, Design with Emma, The Grace Life, DIY Home Decor and more. Our co-host at Home with Lisa, Joyful Decor by Denise, Deborah Cabasca Home Living, Angie Forston, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and Marilyn's Cozy Lifestyle. Come along with me as I show you how I live the outdoor life. Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Living the Outdoor Life. This is part 2 of the 3-part series, and this is my dining area that I'm going to show you. Now, I did go ahead and get new furniture. I replaced that sofa bed that was over here in the corner, and I replaced it with the 2 black egg chairs. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let you all go ahead and take a look at everything. Then I'll come back and show you and tell you about what I've done. So come along, let's take a look at it. Okay, so let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about the changes I've made. Over here where I had the sofa bed, if you all remember, I will go ahead and put a picture of it in, a before picture in, so you all can take a look at it. But I did replace that sofa bed with the 2 black egg chairs. And I tell you all, they are so comfortable. Now, I purchased these from Hobby Lobby. They had them, they were like $3.99 each. And as you all know, I refuse to pay full price. So I waited until they went on sale for half price, and I purchased them for $1.99 each. I got 2 for the price of 1. And to me, that was a bargain because they are very, very nice quality chairs. And they are very comfortable. So me and Willie are really enjoying them. The pillows, covers are from Amazon, the black and white. The rug here on the floor was from Bargain Hunt. The larger lantern is from Kroger's. The smaller lantern is from Goodwill. And that plant was from Walmart. That table came with another set of mine that I had given away. And look guys, look at my plants. They are actually growing. And as you all know, I can't grow anything, but this year they are growing. Okay, so now we can turn around and look at my place setting here on the table. The centerpiece, the 2 black lanterns, they were from Home Goods. And all I've done, I wrapped a white flower around the bottom of each and put a candle inside. The 2 white flower balls were from Goodwill, and the 2 boxwoods were from Joann Fabric. Okay, so now I'll break down the place setting for you. The glass here, beautiful, beautiful goblets were from Goodwill. The dinner plate, let's talk about the charger plate. It was from Hobby Lobby, and the flower there was from Temu. This white dinner plate was also from Home Goods. And the black salad plate was also from Home Goods. And if you look here on the other side, they are opposite. This dinner plate has the white center and the black outer ring, and the salad plate is white. So that's 2 different plates and salad plates, and I just put them on opposite sides. My pillows, the black solid pillows here were from Kroger's, and the beautiful black and white pillow covers were from Amazon. And I've put the 4 black and white ones in the 4 chairs, and I've added the black ones to the head chairs. My little starburst here was from Hobby Lobby. So guys, that is it. My new addition and my dining area for this outdoor living area. You all hold on, because what I'm gonna do is give you a night view. And I'll light the candles for you. Okay guys, this is the night view that I promised I would come back and show you. I have lit the candles on the dinner table, so I'll go around and show you the candles lit. I have placed the chandelier up in top of the umbrella for the ambulance at night. The 2 candles are lit. So let's go around and take a look. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for the night view. I hope I've given you some ideas on decorating your dining and seating area on your outdoor deck or patio. I want to thank the Design family for coming along with me on this Decorate My Space outdoor living. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. I wanna also thank all of the creators who are hosting and co-hosting with me on this collaboration, Living the Outdoor Life. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.